Happy birthday, Mayor. Nag-celebrate good me, oh.
Boss! Katilog mo sa birthday mo. So, samo kayo sa boss. Gabihin na kayo, boss. Yun na po yun yung duwa, oy. Yung kanta gito sila happy birthday si mo. Sige, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, boss. Palabok po so na pag-cake mo.
Thank you! Happy birthday.
So, yung mga message nyo there. Si message nyo there.
Busy the phone will be.
Okay, boss. Amping niya, boss. Happy birthday again.
Hi Mayor, happy birthday. It's your 50th birthday today, and I pray and I wish you good health always, and more travels and happiness with your loved ones and family. God bless you always, Mayor. Amping Kanunay. See you soon.
Right from the House of Prayer in Marana, the Carmelite Monastery. Me and the family are doing the Visita Iglesia. Please know that we include in our prayers. We hope and pray that you have a grace-filled and happy day for your birthday today. I also hope and pray that you have more wisdom to lead our municipality. Happy birthday, Kuya Mayor.
Hi Mayor, happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! I'm so glad you get to celebrate your birthday over there with taga Maramag ng Gihapon. And I hope you have a special and enjoyable day today. My prayers for you as always. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Again, happy birthday! Enjoy, have fun!
Hello, well, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day dyan sa abroad. Also happy birthday to me because it's also my birthday. Dungan man ta, di ba? Na-ademi karon sa Surigao also to celebrate my birthday well together with the family of Rizal. See you soon pagbalik mo sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Ingat palagi. And alam mo well, no, na I love you so much. So, bye-bye.
Hi bro, good evening na ba? Anyway, I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. So it's your 50th birthday. So I hope that you'll have a meaningful, happy, and joyful celebration today. And I'd like to thank you for all the love, the help, the support, especially for supporting me in pursuing my dreams. I sincerely do appreciate that a lot. I thank the Lord for having a very good brother. Very good fearing, grounded, humble, and loving one. So I just really hope and pray that you'll have the grandest and most meaningful and happy birthday that you can ever have. And may this solitary moment of travel also be helpful to you, and may just really give you good health, graces, more graces for you to be able to enjoy and to be able to continue life and be a blessing to others. So again, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. So have fun and have a blast. Enjoy. And I forgot, I love you. Happy birthday and have a great day. I have to go to the library and write for my thesis, but happy birthday. We love you. Sapar daw mini big ingoniya. Anyway, have a good day, everyone. Happy birthday, bro. Ingat. Love you.
Hello, Mayor! Happy birthday! Kabalo mi nga, gahapon na imong birthday, pero karon na mag-celebrate. Sa birthday santong dako para og alan kanimo. Pray big, Mayor. Worry small. Trust God. Love one another. Laugh more. Stress free and have faith. Rejoice and be grateful every day, Mayor. Happy 50th birthday. Bye-bye. Hi, Mayor. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. And thank you for visiting us here in Australia.
Sa una mayor, naingon yun ko sa imuha nga, pag ato ni mo og Canada, dito ka ilang J Lord, ilang JDI, nagbisita ka dito, nagmaninoy ka sa iyang anak ko sa imuha nga, Mayor, bisitahin po mi diri sa Australia, kadaghan may mga Pinoy diri nga taga Maramag. Ug sa dihang karon naalagyan ka dinhi. Welcome! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mayor!
Happy
didn't-
birthday!
Yeah, we didn't expect that you will be coming over here and celebrating your golden birthday. Pero since you're here, yes, I hope you had a great surprise. And I hope you enjoyed your birthday with us here in Harvey, Western Australia!
Ma-enjoy kami, ma-enjoy ka. Ako bahala.
Bye! Bye!
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Gina!
Happy 50th birthday, Attorney Mayor Doromal! Yes! Welcome to the land down under! Welcome to Harvey!
Mana?